Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of July 16th, 2021. And the first question is, who becomes fastest cricketer to slam 14 ODI centuries in 81 innings? And the options are A. Hashim Amla, B. Babar Azam, C. Virat Kohli, and D. James Vinci. And the correct answer is B. Babar Azam. Babar Azam becomes fastest cricketer to slam 14 ODI centuries in 81 innings, whereas Amla, who previously held the record, took 84 innings to reach the milestone. Babar Azam becomes the first Pakistan captain to hit 150 plus runs in an ODI. And the second question is, which organization is going to set up India's largest solar park at Rann of Kutch? And the options are A. NTPC, B. DRDO, C. PRO, and D. ISRO. And the correct answer is A. NTPC. This solar park will have the capacity of 4.75 gigawatts. National Thermal Power Corporation, founded in 1975 and headquartered in New Delhi. The current Chief Managing Director of NTPC is Gurpreet Singh. And the third question is, India's first 5-star hotel atop railway track is in which of the following? And the options are A. Bangalore, B. Gandhinagar, C. Vadodara, and D. Mumbai. And the correct answer is B. Gandhinagar. India's first 5-star hotel atop railway track is in Gandhinagar. Luxury hotel atop the railway station is having 318 rooms. Hotel is spread across 7,400 square meters. It has the height of 76.99 meters with 3 towers of 9, 11, 11 floors. It will be largest ever contingent of athletes from India at Olympics. And the fourth question is, which of the following city becomes first city in Asia to host Summer Games twice? And the options are A. Tokyo, B. Delhi, C. Brazil, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Tokyo. Tokyo Olympics is scheduled to be held from July 23rd to August 8, 2021. Tokyo has become the first city in Asia to host Summer Games twice, whereas the first one is conducted in the year 1964. And 2020 Games will be the fourth Olympic Games to be held in Japan, whereas the 4 Olympics in Japan are conducted in the years 1964 and 2021 in the summer, and 1972 and 1998 is in winter. And the fifth question is, which institute have developed an app to detect potato disease? And the options are A. IIT Delhi, B. IIT Kanpur, C. IIT Mandi, and D. IIT Madras. And the correct answer is C. IIT Mandi. Recently, IIT Mandi have developed an app to detect potato disease. And the sixth question is, from which organization Indian Navy received 10th Anti-Submarine Warfare Aircraft P-81? And the options are A. HAL, B. Air India, C. Korean Air, and D. Boeing. And the correct answer is D. Boeing. Indian Navy received 10th Anti-Submarine Warfare Aircraft P-81 from Boeing. Contract for 8 P-81 aircraft was signed by Defense Ministry in 2009. In 2016, Ministry signed a contract for 4 additional P-81 aircraft. 9th aircraft was received by Indian Navy in November 2020. P-81 is a patrol aircraft and an integral part of Indian Navy's fleet. Whereas Boeing is an American company founded in 1916 and headquartered in Chicago. The current chairman of Boeing is Larry Kellner. And the seventh question is, which of the following country will host the World Badminton Championships in 2026? And the options are A. Russia, B. Japan, C. India, and D. UAE. The correct answer is C. India. India will host the World Badminton Championships in 2026. This will be the second time that India will be hosting the World Championship, and India hosted World Badminton Championship in 2009 in Hyderabad, Telangana. First World Badminton Championship hosted by Sweden in 1977. India won total 10 medals in World Badminton Championships. PV Sindhu won total 5 medals in World Badminton Championships. And the eighth question is, who among the following will be the leader of the house in the Rajya Sabha? And the options are A. Thawar Chand Gehlot, B. Nirmala Sitharaman, C. Narendra Singh Tomar, and D. Piyush Goyal. And the correct answer is D. Piyush Goyal. He will replace Thawar Chand Gehlot, who is now the governor of Karnataka. And the ninth question is, which country becomes first Gulf state to open embassy in Israel? And the options are A. UAE, B. Iraq, C. Saudi Arabia, and D. Oman. And the correct answer is A. UAE. United Arab Emirates, first Gulf state to open embassy in Israel. And the 10th question is, which country unveiled one of the world's largest floating solar panel farms? And the options are A. Malaysia, B. Singapore, C. India, and D. New Zealand. And the correct answer is B. Singapore. 1,22,000 solar panels on the 45-hectare site. Farm has been built by a wholly owned subsidiary of SemCorp Industries. Farm could help to reduce carbon emissions by about 32 kilotons annually. And the 11th question is, which of the following organization has been hit with a 500 million euros fine by France Competition Authority? And the options are A. Facebook, B. Twitter, C. Google, and D. Instagram. And the correct answer is C. Google. So recently, Google has been hit with a 500 million euros fine by France Competition Authority for failing to negotiate in good faith with news organizations over the use of their content. And the 12th question is, who is the author of the book titled Urdu Poets and Writers, Gems of Deccan? And the options are A. J.S. Iftekhar, B. Amitav Ghosh, C. Rajiv Shukla, and D. both A and B. And the correct answer is A. J.S. Iftekhar. Vice President of India receives the first book, and this book highlights the literature and cultural traditions of the Deccan region. And the one-liners are, The Great Big Lion, drawn and written by child prodigy Precious Knight. NEET UG 2021 to be conducted in 13 languages, whereas NEET 2021 exam will now be held on 12th September 2021. Roger Federer pulls out of the Tokyo Olympics over knee injury. He has competed in Olympics 4 times in the years 2000, 2004, 2008 and 2012, and had won 2 Olympic medals, a silver medal in singles in 2012 and a gold medal in doubles in 2008. 2 new spider species discovered in Assam's Chirang Reserve Forest. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.